KG to class 12, our school provides us with an excellent education foundation.
Our science lab helps students learn lessons through practical experiments and engaging activities.
We keep pace with the modern world through the digital knowledge that we gain in our ICT lab.
Our sports activities encourage teamwork, discipline, and the healthy lifestyle.
Alhamdulillah, we have one of the safest and most reliable bus service in Oman.
As a Pakistani student, I am very satisfied with the education and facilities provided by Bangladesh School Saham.
बतौर पाकिस्तान तालिब इल्म मैं बांग्लादेश स्कूल साहम की फराहम करदा सहूलतों और तालीम से बहुत मुतमईन हूँ.
Our student hostels truly feel like our second home.
Here in Bangladesh School Saham, the knowledge of the Quran Hadith enlightens our souls.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear parents, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bangladesh School Saham. For the 2026 session, we are happy to offer warm and caring place for your children to learn. We are the only school in Oman that follows the Bangladesh national curriculum in English version. Our teachers are kind, skilled and well qualified, and they guide every child with care and patience. We always try to give a safe, friendly and encouraging environment where children can grow with confidence. We kindly invite you to choose our school for your child's bright future. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.